This is the summary and analysis of The Sound of the Birds at Noon. This modern Israeli poem is marked by a deceptively simple, often domestic surface that conceals a deep undertow of psychological anxiety and threat. It often juxtaposes the peaceful, ordinary reality, just like the sound of birds with sudden, violent, or unsettling imagery, reflecting the precariousness of life in a conflict-ridden region. Analysis: the poem is read as a powerful expression of the internalized trauma and persuasive insecurity of the Israeli experience. The sounds of birds represents the attempted normalcy, while the underlying tension and impending sense of danger, often implicit, reflect the socio-political reality. Rankovic uses a personal, often vulnerable voice to embody the collective anxiety of a society living perpetually on edge.